Hello, what's going on, guys? How's your quarantine? Mine's kind of pretty bored. That's why I consistently upload some videos. Yeah, right. So today I am making Powfu, or should I say that bad? I mean, I don't know why people. I mean, the owner called it that bad, but I really like the tone, like dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's pretty much like that. But I made it in a little bit of Fortnite added. So Fortnite music blocks. Right, so that's it for today's video. But if you guys want a tutorial, maybe we can hit like what 15 likes. I'll make a tutorial. If we hit like what 7 likes, I'll make the coffin dance meme in Fortnite with music blocks. If you guys have enjoyed, hit that like button. Thank you for subscribing if you are subscribed, and thanks for watching this video, and peace out.